In this segment of this video, we are going to see how we can create our own flow using Power Automate. So let me share my screen and we will click on create, and you can see we have four options. Automated cloud flow, it means that this flow will run automatically based on any action. Instant cloud flow, so you can run this flow on a click. Scheduled cloud flow, it means that it will run on a scheduled time. Desktop flow, it will be in your desktop, and whatever applications and services you are doing using your desktop, that is what you can automate using desktop flow. So I will create a automated flow so we can test it easily. So I'm going to select this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to uh, create a flow when task is created. So we'll use task. So when task is created, we'll select this, and this will be a trigger for that particular flow. So we will use when task is created, this one, and then create. So we will use the group ID. Group ID is demo plan, and then we'll have plan ID is also demo plan. Then we'll add we'll assign to a particular person. So we'll use a planner, create a task, add a assignee to a task. So task ID will use the custom value, and that is ID, and the person we are going to assign. So what we have to do is, here you have to assign your manager email ID or the person to whom you want to assign. So I'm going to give my name here. And then we'll add another step, and that is sending email. So we'll send email to that person that this task is assigned to you. Again, I will type my email here. So that is what I'm going to type here, and then in subject we'll have the value, like the title of the task is created, and then we'll have the again title and created by name. This is what we can add, and then we will test it. So let me save, and then we'll test it. So it looks like working. Again, we'll go in manual and test. I will go in planner and create a new task, uh, a demo flow is created, and testing using Power Automate. So let's see what will happen. I'm going to add this task, and we'll go again back to the flow, and we will see. So you can see it's successful. So let me see if I got an email regarding that. So yes, I got an email. You can see a demo flow is created and testing using Power Automate, and created by, because we don't have created by, and that's why we can't see that. But again, we will refresh and see. Yeah, and you can see assignee is Sandeep Misra. So that is what you can do using Power Automate. You can create your own flow using the custom flow. Like, you can schedule your flow, you can create a instant flow which will run on click, and you can also create scheduled uh, automated flow which will run on in a result of action. So here again we can go here and click on edit. So one more thing I want to tell you, like if you want to change the name, like assign a user and send email, and then you can save, because whenever you are creating a flow, you can see title is always using that particular flow, and that is bit confusing. So you can create your own title for that particular flow. So hope you understood that how easily you can create your flow, your scheduled flow, your instant flow, your automated flow and desktop flow using Power Automate.